guys, I just got my eyebrows waxed today and they feel like they're on fire. Also today, I went to Costco with my mother and guess what they had there? No, stop. While we were at Costco, we came across something in the book aisle, which is something I always look into. Yeah, because I'm a reader. What? Yeah. Anyway, guess what they had? I don't know if you guys have read this book. I have. You may have been 150% turned off it because it is written by Stephenie Meyer, author of the Twilight Saga. The vampire phenomenon of 2008/9/10/ a little bit now, but it's kind of fading. I'm not joking. Get out. Okay, this is a different book, and I always want people to read it because it is one of my favorite books. It's actually flippin' fantastic, off the wall, awesome. Technically, it's an adult book, but there's no sex, and there's no swearing, and there's no... Twilight is a lot more adult. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. It's like a sci-fi novel for people who don't like sci-fi. Basically, Earth has been taken over by aliens. Okay? Yes, taken over. Like, the humans are still alive, and the aliens are like scientists. They're like these little silvery ball things, and they come and they attach to your head, and they don't suck your brain. They take over your brain. So it's like, they're like parasites. They like live inside your body, and it's their job to live out your life for your body, to like discover what the human race is all about and stuff like that. It's like about the humans who have not been turned into parasite aliens, and they're trying to like rebel against the people who have been. Yeah. My eyebrows are so sore. Yes, that's what it's about. Eyebrows. No. And that's the reason everyone's got those tripped out little circly things. It's because they're possessed! What? Ah! I really hate it when movie companies put the actual movie poster on the cover of the book, and I didn't want to get it because of that, but it was Costco! Ian started to rise again. Hey! Jared exploded. His voice what? Wanda's not on trial here. Does someone have a concrete complaint against her? Then ask for another tribunal, but all we know, she hasn't harmed anyone here. That's not how he talks. What? That's all I have to say today, so I'll see you guys another time, possibly soon, possibly not. I don't know when I'm gonna make a video, cause I'm crazy. You sound like an idiot. Oh my god.
Womp bomb balloon bomb bum 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 to the boot. Oh.